Hey eco-friends! If you're looking for some variety in your vegan breakfast foods, I've got you covered with some delicious South Indian staples like idli and dosa, which I have another instant recipe for you in the link below this video. Idli is essentially a steamed rice cake for which the batter must be fermented. This is the instant kind of idli, which is made with semolina, also known as rava, and it can be made from start to finish in around 45 minutes. Really, it just takes about 5 to 10 minutes of prep time, and the remaining time is just waiting for it to rest and cook. You'll need some idli plates to steam them. If you don't have these, you may use steamer-safe bowls that are small, or make them in a larger plate and just cut them up into little pieces. You may need to cook them for a little bit longer if you choose to do it that way. Let's start off with the tempering. In a small pot, pour in some olive oil and mustard seeds until they start to splutter. Now add in the cumin seeds, chana, and urad dal. Let these fry up for about 30 seconds and then add in the green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, hing, and ground black pepper. Set aside. This may seem like a ton of ingredients due to the tempering, but if you prefer plain idlis, you can totally make this without the tempering. In a medium bowl that has a lid, pour in the rava, salt, carrot, cilantro, turmeric, yogurt, and the tempering mixture. Stir to combine really well. The batter should be just a bit wet at this stage. Let this rest for about 20 minutes or until the rava has completely absorbed the moisture from the yogurt. Meanwhile, prepare your idli plates by brushing them with a little olive oil. Once your batter is almost absorbed, start your steamer or instant pot on manual with about 1 cup of water on the bottom. Add in about half a cup more water. The batter should be at a pouring consistency, but it also should not be too runny. Add in the ENO and carefully, but quickly, stir to combine. Pour in about 1 or 2 tablespoons of batter per idli mold, depending on your tray, and stack them up and steam for about 15 to 18 minutes. Once they're done, let them cool for about 3 minutes and devour them with chutney and sambar. By the way, here's a really quick recipe for coconut chutney, which involves very few ingredients. In a blender, pour in water, fresh or frozen coconut, cilantro stems or leaves, but both can be used here. Don't throw out the stems, they're really flavorful. Curry leaves, green chilies, and salt. Blend. That's it. Pour over some tempering of oil, mustard seeds, chana dal, and urad dal, as I did in the beginning of this video, when you're ready to serve. This sambar is the same one that I made for my instant dosa video, which you can find the link for in the description box below. I'm telling you, if you like savory breakfast, you will not go back to eating oatmeal every day. This is a flavor bomb. Honestly, if you just make the sambar and chutney in bulk, you can keep making this in the morning, and it's just so simple. Also, it's much easier than dosa too, because you can make them all at once. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel for more easy Indian recipes. Stay safe out there, my friends. Bye!